want to give you an introduction about models. So what is models? Okay, models are just files that contain Python statement and definition. A file that contains Python code, for example, we have the main.py here, okay, is called a model. That its model name would be main.py, okay, here. Or let me come here and create another thing, okay, another file here, and I will show you that in real example. So we have main here, and I'm going to create a new file. It's gonna be sample.py, okay. So this sample.py is going to be a models, okay. So inside this sample.py, I'm going to create a function, and I'm going to import that into the main and use it in the main file, okay. So here let's go with a new function. It's gonna be addition, okay. Here imagine we have two arguments for doing the addition, okay, number 1 and number 2. So after that we need to have the result. So this result is equal to number 1 plus number 2. Perfect. And at the end we need to return the result, okay. So now we have this sample.py. It's a library or it's a module, okay, right now, and it's done right now, okay. Here we don't need to do anything else. We need to go to main file, okay. Let's save this, use Control S to save it, come back here, and now I'm going to import that, okay. Import sample.py, okay, sample, just sample. So I am going to import it here. So just make sure that name that it has is the same as name that you're importing that here, okay. So in here I'm going to use a sum variable, okay. It's equal to the sample, that is the name that we imported here, dot. When I hit dot, it will give me all the properties, function, things that sample has. So this sample has one method here that is called addition, okay. I'm going to hit that, and when I provide the parentheses in here, we need to provide two things. You see we have number 1 and number 2. So number 1 is going to be 12, number 2 is going to be 23. So now that I use that, I'm going to print the sum to see the result, okay. Print sum. Let's save it and let's run it. Now when I run it, you see that it's giving me the result. So creating and using a model is as easy as this, okay, that we just did it. So, and if there is sometimes it happens that you use an external library or an external module. For example, you import the time, and also you use, for example, random. These all are modules, okay, that are Python script or Python code that is written into the time and also the random, just like this one, and we imported that, and then we can use it like this, okay. For example, if I here hit time and then hit dot, you see we have all these properties like time, and also ACT time, clock get time ns. These are all the method, the function that is within the time, okay. Or if you want to use the random dot, you see we have random.rand, random.choice, and all these things, you see these are here and we can use it. So this is about the modules and how we can create it, how we can use it, okay.